Alright, so basically we're doing frisbee, and it was first to catch it 5 times, and he won 4 to 5. So the challenge is I have to drink 1/4 cup of vanilla. As you can see, while I was carrying it out here, it kind of spilled on the plate a little bit, but it is measured in this measuring cup. So this is a plate that we played indoor frisbee with. We just played it with a plate, and I'm gonna have to drink this. I'm probably gonna throw up in this video. So if this video is entitled "Someone Threw Up" playing the 1/4 cup vanilla challenge, then I have survived, because this is gonna be nasty. I'll tell you that. If you've ever tried vanilla, just a little sip. This is
One time I thought it was soy sauce and I put it on my white rice, but then I realized that it was vanilla.
That's actually a true story. But here, let me just show you in detail. I'm trying not to spill it. You can see the plate is very what do you call this? Like dented. Yeah, destroyed from us throwing it. And hold up. And as you can see in detail, this is all the stuff I need to be drinking. So let's just get on with it. I'm gonna drink it over the grass so I don't spill. And alright, you know what, we'll come back to this video. I'll drink it, but I need some water.
Look at him. He's so dumb.
Alright, so I got my water. It's inside, but at least it's ready. So I'm gonna go right inside as soon as I chug this, because just like a little lick, and it was so nasty.
So nasty. So nasty.
Just the smell of it.
Well, the cats are
Here,
enjoying.
smell this, dude. Just smell it.
Ugh.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's the smell of French toast sometimes when I'm making it.
Alright, ready?
Wait, hold on.
I'm probably gonna spill this everywhere. I'm just gonna lean over.
Don't do that on purpose, though.
No.
Oh, he's going all the way. And he's not done. And
Oh my.
chancla.
Oh, I can't.
Whatever, you're spilling it on purpose.
No, I drank some liquid on my mouth, dude. Oh my.
Ew. I'm gonna back away here.
Give me the water, dude. Oh. It's burning so bad. You have no idea how much it's like burning.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, what are you doing?
So I'm not drinking, I'm just washing off my face.
Oh, that looks okay. I want this. Yeah. Oh, I'm done.
Oh my god. Alright. It's okay, I'm gonna get him back.
Oh, we're playing another round?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh
well,
yeah, we are.
What would it is?
We had cats, or this challenge would not have worked. Jeremy's gonna be so mad. Oh, there he is. Mmm. Cat food. All right, come on now, cat. Eat your food. Wow, for good nutrients. Oh wait, hold on. Let me get my sandals on. Wait, hold on. Oh yes. Oh my gosh. Go.
I can't believe I'm doing it.
Dude, go. What?
Not that bad.
No, let me try one. You're tricking me, aren't you?
No, it's not as bad as vanilla.
Yeah, he's right. That isn't even bad. All right, we'll eat it.
It's dry though.
Yeah, I know. It's really crunchy. Just take a handful. This isn't even a good challenge right here. Who cares about that? All right, yeah, just drop it. Yeah, you just eat that.
Oh.
Eat it. Oh, now you taste it, huh? No, eat it. The rest in your hand. Open your hand. Let me see. Oh, okay, just go. You said it wasn't as bad.
I'm still chewing. Okay. Oh.
All right. Well, that's the end of this video. Any last words? Ah.
I hate you.
All right.